Sorry, this is bad. Do not do that. No, never do that.
If you want to make it on the train system in England, people love queuing here. They love queuing.
20 minutes? What the heck is going on?
It's the worst decision ever.
Yeah, they can be so busy and they can get delayed a lot and cancelled.
What do you not like about trains?
Definitely the train strikes.
I bought a bike for 50 quid and I've ridden it 150 miles to get here.
Well, because the trains are so bad, or for...
No, because they're so expensive.
I should have just took a car. That's why I don't like public transport.
Should have walked to this. We're polite, but we don't really mean it.
150 miles.
No train.
How much would that have cost to do on the train? Even the coach would have cost an arm and a leg, I tell you.
Hiya, welcome to Easy English. So today is bloody miserable. So I'm going to head down to Brighton train station to see what tips and hints the people of Britain have for using the British railway system. I want to know the positives and negatives and what to do and what not to do socially and practically on an English train. Here we go. Where are you going today?
Going to Finn's Park in London.
Oh, coming in from Stansted Airport into London, King's Cross, on the big, longest train I've ever seen for passengers. It was huge.
To London, yeah.
To London?
Yeah, I'll just go. I can't either here or London, because I don't live in Brighton.
I'm going to Cairo Airport.
Okay, you're going on holiday?
No, I'm just working up there.
Are you working at Gatwick?
Yeah.
Okay. Where have you been today on the train? Or what journey are you taking?
From Falmouth to Brighton.
Yeah, Falmouth campus, the Sussex University campus.
Have you come from London?
I've come from London, yeah. My dad lives in London. I've been staying with him for a few days.
Can you tell me a positive about taking trains in Britain specifically? What's good about them? Anything?
Train's easier. Yeah, train's easier and faster.
It's just convenience. It's like I don't have to pay for petrol, and it's just one price for a ticket.
What would you say are the biggest positives about British trains? What do you like about them?
That you can literally get anywhere, on the train.
I think the time slot are quite well planned.
It's fairly quick. It's regular. Every train come back every half hour. So if you miss one, then you can get next one. Not too far away.
Sometimes it's nicer to be able to maybe drink whilst you're on the train, if that's what you're into.
And that's allowed?
Yes, it's allowed. Yeah.
What's the best thing then about taking the train, in your opinion?
Just sitting there. I like just sitting there, and the view. It's quite a nice ride from London to Brighton. So I like just sitting there and listen to music. It's quite relaxing.
This video is sponsored by italki, the site that allows you to find online language teachers for one-on-one tutoring. As a new user, you'll get $10 in italki credits after your first lesson if you register using the link go.italki.com/easy English. If you don't like reading complicated language books or listening to pre-recorded audio courses, then italki is for you. You'll get to practice your conversational skills under different real-world scenarios, as speaking with humans is the best way to learn a language. You can customize your lessons to cater for your learning needs and interests, and the one-on-one lessons provide you undivided attention with teachers at your preferred time, whether you're at home, at the airport, or at your local park. You have complete access. So head on over to italki with this link, go.italki.com/easy English to start your first lesson and get $10 in lesson credits. What's really crap about the trains?
They can be so busy. Yeah, they can be so busy and they can get delayed a lot and cancelled. Expensive.
Yeah,
expensive. Okay.
Expensive. Yeah, that's a good one.
I bought a bike for 50 quid and I've ridden it 150 miles to get here.
Well, because the trains are so bad, or for...
No, because they're so expensive.
I'm quite shocked at how much has gone up. The single back here, it was 34 quid, and I usually drive, so but yeah, it's usually it used to be £21 or £22, and now it's £34
for a single.
Yeah, for a single.
And what's the return?
I don't know. I should have got I got a single up there, and how much was the single? That was £20, and then to come back, single was £34.
My God.
Yeah, so I really shouldn't have gone to London because I've got to save money at the moment.
150 miles.
No train.
How much would that have cost to do on the train? Even the coach would have cost an arm and a leg, I tell you.
What do you not like about trains in Britain?
Definitely the train strikes. Yeah, they strike a lot, which is annoying when I need to like come home and things like that from where I'm staying.
And they are quite expensive.
Very
like if you're
expensive,
going
yeah.
up north, say from here, like it's so much money.
Like the service cancelling, like the strike.
Ah, yeah, of course. Oh, how did you cope when there was all the strikes? How did you get to work? Buses?
I can't really go to work if they strike. But
Oh wow, okay.
just have to like get a day off or something.
What do you not like about English trains?
The cancellations.
Cancellations are annoying, man, all the time.
will kill you.
Cancellations, and there's loads of strikes and stuff. So, yeah.
It's not a reliable
No.
system at the moment.
It's not very like they could update
Yeah.
it a bit. It's not very
Right.
nice.
Bit old fashioned.
Yeah, a bit
Yeah.
old-fashioned.
So if it wasn't super duper expensive, you'd use a train a lot more?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah, 100%.
Bus replacement service.
I was gonna say,
That's the worst.
rare
Stay
replacement is
in
like the
in
worst.
bus for 4 hours now.
Especially late at night, or you just want to go home, and then they're like, "Oh, it's cancelled." No
Yeah.
one at night. You're like, "Oh."
And it's like 2 buses for an entire
Two
train. or
buses.
something.
buses.
Hey, thinking, I should have just took a car. That's why I don't like public
Should
transport.
have walked.
Like personally get travel sick easily,
Oh no.
so I don't want to take any like train replacement bus.
do you have like a little insider tip or secret for like trains? What advice would you give to someone who's like coming to the UK who's never taken a train?
Always let the people who are on the train off first
Yes.
before you go on, because you can get some really angry people who can end up getting angry at you if you don't let them off first.
Right, that's good actually. Yeah.
We love queuing. I mean, we don't really, but we pretend we sort of, we're polite, but we don't really mean it.
I think it would be a better thing to get your tickets online.
Yeah.
Train line.
Right. Yeah.
I'll say usually on the app, it kind of tells you what platform you're going to.
I don't know, say like maybe book online as well.
Okay.
I think it's cheaper as well.
How does that work? You have to go onto a website and then
Or you can get like the train line app, and it's quite simple on there.
do you get discounts?
Yeah, like we get the 16-17 saver discount, which is like 50% off. So that's good.
Are there like cultural things you've noticed on the trains that you have to be aware of as like a non-Brit?
No one's very talkative on the train, you know. You get
Right.
paper and you read your paper.
Be polite and nod along and stuff like that. And don't talk to other people. Pretend you're looking at paper. You know what I mean? If anyone talks to you on the
Right.
tube.
Are there social things you need to be aware of when taking the train in England?
Taking the train from London by 4 or 5 is a big no, because people working and come back home, it's full trains, probably won't find a place to sit down until you're 10 minutes from your destination.
Always buy a ticket
Yes, always.
when
buy
you're
a
getting
ticket.
on the train.
Don't try and skip it.
Yeah, I know.
I was coming back from Nottingham once and I put my train ticket in another pocket and I had to pay £80 fine. When the ticket was like 12, so
Oh,
it's always, yeah.
that's horrid.
You can find little
Yeah.
tricks and tips sometimes. There are some.
Yeah, you could. You
Our
can
local,
sometimes sneak it, but
our local station at home doesn't have any barriers, so you can if you work the times correctly. You
yeah.
can,
What is this video becoming?
yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I
That's
shouldn't.
so
I'm
bad.
teaching all of your students. Sorry, this is bad. Do not do that. Yeah. No, never do that.
In England, we like to not talk, it seems, on
Yeah.
public transport, which is bad, really.
Thanks for watching this week's video. Let us know your experience using the British railway system, and as always, we'll see you next week. Ta-ra!